Have you ever started a video with one concept and when it was done, you was like, this just doesn't work. We have to do this again. This is not.
That hasn't happened to me yet.
Okay.
That hasn't, and I'm glad about that. I've always been very kind of pleased and been lucky enough to work with directors who've been able to execute exactly what they tell me they're gonna do. So there's never been a time where I was like, oh my God, this sucks. This is horrible.
Okay.
Throw it to the garbage.
Yeah, right.
I don't even know if people would let you do that. You know what I mean? I haven't even ever tried it. If the record company would be like, okay, throw it away. We'll start again. I don't think that really happens that often.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I mean, if you raise enough fuss, I'm sure it can happen. It's your art, you know.
I guess. I'm gonna try.
If it ever happens,
I'm gonna try that.
Yeah, try it. Let me know when it goes down. I want to be there. I want to see how you put that down. There you are riding, looking like CC Rider.
Yeah.
Oh, is that a Harley?
Yeah.
That is a Harley.
Yeah.
And I was wondering, were you nervous the whole time on that? I mean,
Nah.
not at all.
Not at all.
Do you really ride bikes?
I ride on the back of bikes.
You ride on the back
No,
of bikes?
the way we did this is like a double did the motorcycle stuff, and then that type of stuff is a tow rig, what they call a tow rig.
Oh, okay.
Which kind of takes away some of the magic of the video, but which maybe I shouldn't be saying right now.
This is what this is for. Let people know how these things are done.
Yeah.
Right?
Basically, I had done some shots for the single sleeve, and we did them by motorcycle with the poncho and the whole thing, and they just came out so great that I was like, this should be the concept for the video. And I gave it to Dave Myers. I sent him the pictures, and then he came up with this idea of just going through this small town and being this girl who's just like going through.